Good afternoon. I'm Nicholas. I'm from Birmingham, Alabama, which is here. And today I'm going to take a few minutes to talk to you about a hobby project of mine called Paginable Collections. Paginable Collections is a lightweight cross-platform pagination framework for .NET. The idea is you have a collection, for example, this collection of numbers, and we want to partition this into subpages so that we can generate UIs that look like this. So paginable collections, for me, the work started about 2008. I was working on an MVC application, and we needed to enable our users to paginate through large sets of data. So I went online, and I found an excellent open source framework called PageList. I was able to plug it in, and it integrated with my domain model, and I was able to complete this project successfully. A little later that year, again 2008, I worked on a WPF application, and we were kind of doing the same thing, but I needed to show some additional information regarding the pagination. And so I was either faced with embedding that logic in the application code or building a different pagination framework. So that's what I did. So this was Paginable Collections version 0. And it was probably about 6 or so C# classes. And so the end, right? Not exactly. So I was able to complete that project in 2008, and the slide here shows that Paginable Collections version 1 wasn't released until December 2015. So it's like 7 years. So what I found myself doing, every time that I would need pagination in an application, I would take those 6 classes and I would copy it into that solution. So I did that for 2009, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So very terrible, very sad. Finally, in 2015, I decided to package the library up, call it Paginable Collections, and host it on GitHub. So this is essentially how it works. We have that collection of numbers. We specify a page number and an item count per page. And then we call this toPaginable extension method. So a paginable is really just a enumerable of a paginable item. And that's just really the object that you're paginating over and an item count. As a result, the paginable object has all the information to render this screen. Paginable Collections, the library has a build system using Cake, and all that is ran through AppVeyor. AppVeyor is really awesome, and they offer a free tier for open source libraries. There's my information, and I'm open for feedback, and thanks for your time.